Alright guys, I'm out here at the lowrider. I got a torque converter for it. Currently in the stages, the whole motor's just sitting there. I had to put up a little piece of metal that's going to be used as a spacer. I have to cut another one and make it fit. Anyway, this is the future stuff for this thing. Sorry about the noise in the heater. It's cold. Gives a nice little cover. It was I think like $50, almost did on the mark on eBay. Inside the box it comes with a belt. And it comes with your hardware, your clutch, your main clutch. Comes with all your motor bolts, adapters, all kinds of stuff that you want. Biggest part of a torque converter. See how that's all set up. I bought it and it said it was for a 212 Predator. You see that's how it's going to look. So, yeah, pretty exciting. Maybe this thing will actually go somewhere. Like I said, I hit 40 with the centrifugal, but it was a pain to get it there, and the motor never fully engaged on RPM, so maybe this will help it out. But we're going to call this part 1. Because there's no way for me to really set up a stand right now because it's very full in here. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the part 2 video.